Hello, my dear daughter. Today we will prepare lunch together in our kitchen.
Mom, what are we going to cook for lunch today?
We are going to prepare a simple and healthy lunch with vegetables. Here we have carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, and onions for our lunch.
The vegetables look very fresh and colorful on the table.
This vegetable is a carrot, and carrots are very good for health.
This is a tomato, and I like tomatoes very much.
Very good. You are learning the names of vegetables very well. First, we wash the vegetables to make them clean.
Why is it important to wash vegetables before cooking?
We wash vegetables because they can have dirt and germs.
I am washing the apple very carefully like you showed me.
You are doing a great job and following instructions very well. Now we will prepare some fruit to eat with our lunch.
I can see bananas, apples, and oranges on the table.
This fruit is a banana, and it gives us energy.
I like bananas because they taste sweet and soft.
Now I will cut the vegetables, and you should watch carefully.
I am watching carefully because knives can be dangerous.
I cut the vegetables slowly to be safe and careful.
Mom, can I help you with the vegetables now?
Yes, you can help by mixing the vegetables in a bowl.
I am mixing the vegetables carefully in the bowl.
You are helping very well and learning many new words. The vegetables are ready, and the kitchen looks very nice.
I feel proud because I helped prepare lunch today.
I am very proud of you for helping and learning. Now we will put the food on plates for lunch.
The food smells good and makes me very hungry.
Yes, the food smells good because it is fresh. We sit together and enjoy our lunch as a family.
Thank you for teaching me how to cook today.
You are welcome, and I enjoy cooking with you. We eat fruit after lunch because it is healthy.
I like eating fruit because it tastes sweet.
We eat slowly and enjoy every bite of food.
I am learning many English words while cooking.
Yes, cooking is a good way to learn new words. We finished our lunch and everything tastes very good.
I feel full and happy after eating lunch.
Now we clean the table and the kitchen together.
Cleaning the kitchen is important after cooking.
When we work together, cleaning is easy and fun.
I like helping you in the kitchen, Mom.
I like spending time with you and teaching you. The kitchen is clean, and we did a great job.
I learned cooking and English words today.
That makes me very happy to hear. Thank you for cooking and learning with me today.
Goodbye. Thank you for learning English with us today.